Guys, ineru sindiona uri muntu ndokongola. Sindiona uri muntu amakwera ndege zodula. Sindiona uri muntu amafuna kumodelo odula. Sindiona uri muntu amachena. Sindiona uri muntu amavala mawigi kapena mawigi odula. Ase yana bagazi. Ineru sindiona uri muntu ndokongola. Sindiona uri muntu amakwera ndege zodula. Sindiona uri muntu amagona kumahotelo odula. Sindiona uri muntu amachena. Sindiona uri muntu amavala mawigi kapena mawigi odula. Ase sindiona uri muntu ane degree. Sindiona ri. Mave ina degree ndilibe, ina certificate ndilibe. Sindichena ri, ina ndege sinawele. Sinawele kodwine. So, assist. Tisanayambe guys, ndamumbireni manja. So the reason why I do kumambira manja is because Tamia Ja sabanga respond magazi. Tamia Ja sabanga respond zili zose. Ine ubanga video direct don't. I salute you yana bagazi. Tamambireni manja ule. Okay. So the way and to know samile mabanga zama blessed, to samile mabanga zama blessed, ndalama zama blessed zijamuzi zitenga and create your own source of income. Usama ngoja ndalama yani. Azangu siyani dwantu waje. So it's better to make yourself independent by using the money that you are getting. You know, you can use that source of income, yama blesser, to create your own source of income and be independent. I'm not even encouraging you, brother, I'm just saying, you know. So, guys, asisi wala na bila kwanya huyu tu. Amaga panga ma interview menya. Ineyo banova ndina Wayendetsa nkani yali na bagaze. Ya, komano sinda munyoze ndina lisombali yake muntu uyu. Sina mpange buli ai. Komano ineyo ndi akazoli ndugamba nkani za muntu bano za background zite. Ni Wayendetsa nkani zomwe anthu akunena usali zomwe ineyo ndikunena. So watch this video,
Have your personal problems and you want to project them on you. You know your life is not okay. You're a victim of early pregnancy. You have criminal records. You don't have any qualifications in life. Instead of trying to fix your life, you're trying to fight Rihanna, like going to take tweets, bring them on TikTok,
yes.
And then when
ababaru it's like uri muntu kumuza mankwala marungo. Koma usanena mankwala malungo kena kunkumagana zoti aitu mankwala malungo semanena kuti ndira mankwala malungo ndi ujeni tumbo sidi manena ine Tamia Ja guys muntu amene anatenga nkhani from Twitter ma screenshot ali na bagazi kwabulitsa pano ndi ndani Tamia Ja and sina munyoze muntu nani mbali yake muntu yemwe ali victim wa early pregnancy ndindana odziwikaso bana Tamia Ja muntu amene anapanga kuza ku criminal record parito kubano ndindani Tamia Ja. So I would say she's a brand. Oh baby girl, you are a brand. Which brand? You mean kumawela ndege mukuna mahotelo dula kumajambisa ma video lebwino mubuja kaya mubuja jani? That's a brand? Oh, that's a brand. Oh, it's a brand. It's a brand. I didn't know. I'm sorry. Congratulations. So this girl works with companies, big companies. She's a marketer. She works with corporates. Guys, make sure any company you're doing anapanga ku market ye. Indeed, you're doing ampanga sign ngati market. Which one? Girl, you play too much. Girl, you're playing too much, I say. Guys, she's young, you know. She's just too young for me. One day I say, ufunika baga, you need to tell your friends to back you up or kubanga my video you know, cause anyways, so nde asisi wakuti ena ndinuma victims of early pregnancy. Asisi inuru mulindi anthu ena omwe amakukondani koma simungawadziwe anthu. And anthu they might be ma victims of early pregnancy. They also mayankhula chinthu chomwe anthu ambiri akuzokhala ma victims pa chinthucho. So Atsikana nonse amene ndinu ma victims za early pregnancy kwando kuze munazo kuti it's better to be a single mother than to be a mother of dead babies through abortions, of course. Umasantu nonse amene munapanga abortions, it's okay kupanga ma abortion, it's your choice. Komano osamaseka kapena osamanena atsikana omwe anasunga mimba yomwe inuyo munajotsa because you couldn't handle it. You know? It's just a message. And what mulibe ma qualifications. I say, fix your life. You are the one, Rihanna Baggers, you are the one who needs to fix your life. Onvet, jifajo na zoguti, nyauyo anakufusane fusoro. Asisi, mama kwela ndege. Mama agona mahodero. Komeno, what do you do for a living? You failed to answer a simple question. So, ngati iweyo ase umabanga zinthu zandalama zodula. Komano, you failed to answer a simple question. What do you do for a living? Simona yanke fuso. You need to fix your life. Fix your life. Kuti zomwe umabangazo zizikubanga suit iweyo in real life. Wambe? Komanso anthu amene muli ma degree, ma diploma. Congratulations, you know? I'm happy for you guys. Koma osamarenga ma degree kuti akhale chipinjo cha anthu ena. Osamanyozera anthu opanda ma degree. You don't use my achievements yanu to mock other people or to bully other people. Maven. Jello beat. Inuzori anthu ena ali makampani ali makampani koma alibe degree. Koma they need people with degrees. We all need each other. Kaya uli degree, kaya uli degree. We all need each other in this life. Some kwa mupusa be. Wayendetsa Baggers zomwe nganene ndizo amve. You are a very beautiful girl. And I'm sure your family are proud of you. You are beautiful, you are young, you are smart. Abanga graduate, muni degree, you know, muni ma qualification. That's a very good thing. Zinizonya disazabwino. Wamba? Komano ase. Osa irengira social media, wamve. Don't mind my negative comments. Wamba? You look strong. Komano, you are dying inside. Ineo chikauri ndiweyo ase. Didagaje besazi zangu jiza now. Not everyone is your friends. You see, some girls, Atsikana omwe you call friends. Those are snakes. Wamba? Antoma yankula. And you talk too much. Don't talk too much. You need to be so selective in this life. You need to be so selective when it comes to friendships with people. Don't worry about your haters. My haters ndama kalab. My haters sangabange jiri yose kwayo. My haters sawo nongambili yako. Koma people that are close to you, your friends. I say nyandi benzanga bana. So that's what I can say. Don't you have wigaba? Next time, don't talk shit about me. Don't talk. Don't even try it. Don't talk. Don't even try it. I care. I say Wayendetsa Baggers. Ine rusindo na